Alright. Who sat on my car?
All about it.
Okay. Let's go see what kind of damage we've done. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. There's still ice. Look. That looks like snow, but that's not. That's a lot of hail. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. That tree was full of leaves. I think now all the leaves are down here. These railroad ties were here. Yeah, I called into work last night at about 10 o'clock because there's no way I can even get to work.
Yeah, you had a window blown out of your car and a window in the house.
Yeah, I had 2 holes punched in one window. So that's one window pane that needs to be fixed. The front windshield on Annette's truck has a bunch of cracks running through it, like spiderweb cracks. But I don't know if that was there before or not, and I don't see any chips, so I don't know what caused it. No, my car is perfectly fine. I just can't drive it.
What happened?
The carport fell on it.
The carport fell down?
The carport fell on my car.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. And my car, the strong, muscle-bound thing she is the only thing holding the carport up right now and keeping it from crushing the other 2 cars that are under the carport.
If you had a car out from under the carport,
We could get Kathy's car out from under the carport. That wouldn't be a problem. But we can't get Josh's car out from under the carport.
in front of you.
It's in front of my car. So, yeah, I can't go to work this morning. I just have to figure out how to get the carport off my car so I can go to work. Alright, we're going to go outside and we're going to survey the damage.
Whoa, what happened to that tent?
Let's go look. Oh, Daddy put the tent down so it wouldn't get damaged. So Daddy did that to the tent. That was done on purpose.
Ooh.
You're blurry. Why are you blurry? Focus.
There to our roof.
Let's go look.
Be careful, baby girl.
Why? Because what happened over here?
It looks like the roof fell down. You're okay. You're alright.
Mommy, it could really close down on there.
My car is really crushed. Wanna go look at it?
Yeah. And when they stop fixing our roof, let's see if the car's okay or not.
That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, it's not even touching the Toyota.
Yeah, one little thing.
Oh, there's actually hail damage?
Yeah, there's a beam.
I didn't even see that.
Poor Daddy's car.
Poor Daddy's car.
Yeah.
One little beam.
Well, that's not bad.
Yeah. Mom, for our cactuses.
Yeah, poor aloe vera. Holy cow! Look at this aloe vera. It looks like it's been shot.
Yeah, and look at this. This one that blew it off.
Yep.
For a leaf. Why, Mom? Because it ripped.
Cactus is wounded. Show me.
Let's be careful with this wood.
Okay. Oh, wow.
It blew No, right in the flower box.
It's
What?
dead.
But look over here.
What is it?
The ice.
Yep, that's what was falling on us last night. You remember we were seeing it?
Yeah. But look at the round one. It looks like a snowball.
It looks like a snowball.
But look at there.
Oh, wow.
Those are leaves.
Yes, they are.
What?
Hey, bud.
Look at your mommy.
So cute.
Can I take video?
Yes, where's your camera?
Well, I can use your camera.
No.
I don't know where it is.
Okay, I'll go get it for you.
Back up nice and slow.
Oh my god. He just put his shoulder
Risking damage, more damage.
under the frame and lifted.
I think it's we back it out now a little closer.
Yeah.
Brace this.
And he lifted the carport up
Blew up
3 inches. Okay, right now they're gonna try to extract my car. And my husband is going to pretend to be Hercules again. He's holding up the carport.
Do what?
I've
Butt shrimp in the hood of her car.
Alright, who sat on my car? I really am not a fan of doing this. Well, we did it. The car's removed. Nothing destroyed. House didn't fall down. And the cars are safe. That was scary.